I'm Vinudhi Wahalathanthri and I'm here with my 22nd video from the eShop Web Project Development Series. So in this video, we'll be talking about how to design a responsive single product view page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's move on. So y'all can see that I have added some products in my home page. So when I click the Buy Now button, y'all can see that I have arrived to my single product view page. So this is the design of my single product view page. So y'all can see that some images has been loaded over here in order, and when I click these images, they will be loaded as my main image in this space. So next y'all can see that I have added a breadcrumb. So using this home anchor tag, I will arrive to my home page. So next I have added my title or the product title, and then I have separated it with a border, and next I have added the ratings. So y'all can see that I have added some pretty star ratings over here, and next I have added the prices. So y'all can see that this is my old price and this is the new price. So y'all can see that I have saved 7,811.6 from my old price, and 5% has been saved. So next I have added my warranty, return policy, and the items in my in stock inside this border. And over here I have added the seller and number of items sold over here. And next I have added a border with an image over here, and I have written stand a chance to get a 5% discount using MasterCard or Visa. And over here I have added the quantity, so I can increase and decrease this quantity using this. So next, y'all can see that I have added some buttons as buy now, add to cart, and add to watch list. So next, I can buy this product using this button, and add this to cart using this, and add this to watch list using this. So I have added the related items over here, and product details over here, and the feedbacks of the product. Okay, so this is the design of my single product view page. So let's move on to see the back-end codes I have given for this process. Okay, so these are the codes I have given for this page. So y'all can see that I have given my HTML version tag, and I have coded my heads over here, and over here I have coded my body. So I have made this design inside two main divs, one the container fluid and another inside a row. So next I have included my header.php, and then I have given a class called 12 mt0 bg white, and I have given a class which I have made as single product. So let's move on to our style.css file to see what I have done in it. So y'all can see that in this class I have added some CSS as padding top 65 pixel and padding left as 145 pixel and a padding as 20 pixel. So back to our codes. Next I have given a row, and again I have given a div with a col 12, and I have given a style as padding 10 pixel, and again inside that I have given a row, and inside this div I have given a col 12 and a col large 2 or the 2 or the large 1. So these classes are given to order my images. So y'all can see that I have done the programming part in this page too, but we'll be talking about the programming part of this in my next video. So in brief, I'll explain y'all what it does. So inside this PHP script, I have taken the images from my database and added them as my images over here. So y'all can see that I have given an on-click as load main image. So when I was showing all this page in my browser, y'all saw that when I click an image in those order, when I click it, it loads as my main image. So let's move on to see what I have done in this main image function. Okay, so in this function, I have taken the variable as document as var image, and then I have taken the ID of it and the src, and I have made a var main document.getElement by ID main image, and the style should be my background image. So we'll be talking about this thoroughly in my next video. So next, over here I have added an else. So if there are no images in my products, then these empty images should load in my page. So next I have added my main image over here. So I have given a class as main image for it. So let's see what I have done in it. So for my main image, I have given a height as 640 pixel, a background image, and a background position, background size, and a background repeat as no repeat. So back to our code. Over here, I have added another div with the order tree called large 6, and a row as usual, and another div with a call 12. And over here, I have given a row with a border bottom and a border dark. So inside this, I have added a name with the area label as breadcrumb. So this is the breadcrumb that I have added. So I showed y'all that I have added an anchor tag with an href to go to my home.php file. So my current page is the single product view page. So next I have added my title over here, and over here I have added my star ratings and my rating over here, and over here I have done a small calculation for the prices. So we'll be talking about this thoroughly in my next video. So briefly, I have added the price, current price, the old price, and the difference of the price. So yeah, I showed y'all that this much has been saved from the old price, and the percentage saved. So next, I have added my warranty, return policy, and in stock over here. So y'all can see that I have given a border dark and text primary over here and a Y2 in this div. So next, I have added the seller's information and the number of items sold inside this div. And next, I have created a row where I have added an image over here. So I showed y'all a bookmark, a price tag image, and another part with a div with a span as stand a chance to get a 5% discount using MasterCard or Visa. So this is that div. So y'all can see that I have also given a border danger and a rounded class for this div. So next I have added a div to enter my quantity over here. So I have given some classes, that means my classes too, in this quantity div. So I have given a border secondary rounded overflow hidden. So inside this div, I have added a span as quantity and an input text field. And inside that, I have given an outline as none. And y'all can see that I have given an on-key up as check value and an ID as quantity input. So let's see. So this on-key check value means it increases the value. So we'll be talking about this in my next video. So next I have added during the on click, the way the price increases over here. So let's see what I have done in it. So I showed you all the on-key check value. So the quantity we took. So I have made a variable as var input and taken the ID of it. And y'all can see that If my input.value is less than 0, I should get an alert. Its quantity must be 1 or more, and my input.value should be 1. And if my input.value is more than the quantity, then I should get an alert as maximum quantity achieved. Input.value should be quantity. So next over here, I have coded the way my quantity should be increased. So I have taken the ID and assigned it to var input. And over here, I have added one new value, passing in input.value plus 1. So this passing int is a function. It's like a string value. So y'all can see that over here it has given a value between 2 and 36 that specifies the base of a number in string. So this is what a passing int does. So then I have added, if my maximum number has been achieved, then I should get an alert as maximum has achieved. So I have done the opposite thing for my quantity descending over here. So back to our codes. So I have added some CSS for these two. So y'all can see that I have added classes like quantity DEC and quantity inc. So our style.css file, y'all can see that for my product quantity, I have given a width, height, and padding like this. And for my quantity buttons, I have given like these CSS. And for my quantity inc and quantity DEC, I have given these CSS. So I have given a justify content as flex end. And so this is my quantity inc CSS. And over here, I have given the quantity as border bottom right radius 5 pixel. So that's my quantity. And over here, I have added the pay here one. So we'll be talking about this in my next video. So this is linked to my buy now button. And over here, I have added my add to cart. And over here, I have added my add to watch list. And next, I have added my related items over here. And next, I have added the related items or the products. And next, I have added my product details over here inside this div. So over here, I have added the brand, price, model, and the title of it, and the product description. And over here, I have added my feedbacks. Okay, so next I have included my footer.php file. So this is all for the design of my single product view page. So I hope you all understood what I explained. So I'll be back with the programming part of this page in my next video. So thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. So thank you. Have a nice day and bye.